Today, I'm going to show you how I made these amazing chocolate chip cookies that my family and I enjoyed. For the ingredients, I'll be using flour, baking soda, white sugar and brown sugar, softened butter, an egg, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. First, I'm adding the baking soda to the flour and I'm mixing it together with a spoon. Next, I'm adding the softened butter to my stand mixer along with both sugars, and I'm going to mix this for a few minutes or until creamy. Here I'm adding the egg and vanilla extract, then I'm going to mix this for another minute. Now I'm adding the flour and baking soda to my stand mixer, and I'm going to mix this for about 20 seconds. And then I'm going to add the chocolate chips. And now I'm stopping the mixer, and I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure all of the flour is incorporated into the dough. This is what the dough should look like. Here I have a baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper, and I'm using a tablespoon to scoop out little dough balls. Since each scoop measures just 1 tablespoon, I ended up with 30 small cookies. You can do bigger scoops for larger cookies. Then I'm going to transfer this to my preheated oven at 350, and I'm going to let them bake for 10 minutes. After taking them out of the oven, I'm going to let them rest for 10 minutes before enjoying. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.